Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the error placing order in Minecraft. This error usually happens due to issues with your Microsoft account, payment method, region settings, or temporary store problems. First, just go ahead and check your internet connection and try placing the order again, since unstable internet can interrupt the purchase process. Next, make sure you are logged into the correct Microsoft account in Minecraft or the launcher. After that, verify that your payment method is valid, active, and has enough balance or credit to complete the purchase. Now also check your billing address and region settings and make sure they match your Microsoft account. Then just go ahead and restart Minecraft or the launcher and try placing the order once again. If it still does not work, wait a few minutes and retry, because Microsoft or Minecraft store server can sometimes be busy. The simple rule is account mismatch, payment issue, or server delay usually cause order error, and fixing account or payment detail solves it in most cases. And that's it. We just learned how to fix the Minecraft error placing order. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.